Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Once a month, my son and I have this slightly crazed project where we're trying to walk the entirety of the London Underground overground. Basically, we start at a station and then we walk to the next station and walk to the next station, and we take photos along the way. And at the moment we're walking the district line. It's quite a long line, it's got 60 stations on it. We started yesterday at the most easterly station on the district line, Upminster, which is basically way out of London. And we had this plan to walk 11 miles to Barking. As we started off, we got distracted slightly by the sight of a windmill, a working windmill, which isn't a common sight in London, as you can imagine. We stopped and got talking to one of the guys who was involved in the upkeep of the windmill there. And before we knew it, we'd spent half an hour there, which was much longer than we'd planned to stop for. I had to turn round to my son and say, hey, listen, we've still got a long way to go, so we'd best crack on. If you say that you need to crack on, or you want to crack on, you basically mean you need to continue working, or walking in this particular case, on something in order to get it finished. So you might say, oh, I need to crack on with my essay this weekend. The deadline is next Monday. Or maybe you're in a meeting at work and you might have to say, listen, the meeting needs to finish by 5, so we'd best crack on. Maybe if you're involved in a large DIY project at home, you're doing your house up, you might have spent some time getting the walls beautiful so that you can repaint them. And a friend might ask how all the work's going, and you could say, well, we've prepared all of the walls now, so we can crack on with the painting over the next couple of weeks. You also sometimes hear people talking about time cracking on. People might say something like, time was cracking on, and we were nowhere near being finished, so we had to get a real move on. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues on social media. And also in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use crack on.